Hi. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I am so happy that I have finished my day. I could call it a day and start to to relax with a loser unboxing. And this loser unboxing will have several loser unboxing. It's a big loser unboxing. Okay, let's go through it. This one first. So I went to what do I want to say? I have finished my cream and completely finished today. This morning I scooped out the last drop of the face cream and then I'm done. So I went to buy a new one. It makes me happy because I finished it. That's very strong. So I got these. I always buy this. Reason because this brand, they are at Costco and they have sales from time to time. So the other day I went there and there is nothing on sale. So I didn't buy, and then I didn't buy, and then I didn't buy. And then until the last day, until this morning, I have nothing to use. I have to buy. So I bought this one and they are on sale. 40 something and on sale $10 off, like 25% discount. I do not know the price in other shops. And one thing good about going to Costco, especially this kind of cosmetic things, you go to Target, you go to, I only buy in Target, you go to Walmart, you go to Target, you will spend hours on end, and still you cannot decide anything because they do just have too many. And Costco have only one thing on sale and have other products which are not on sale, then I'm not buying. It's very good. Not very good. It's not too expensive and I'm comfortable with it. I use it for many years. So not too fragrant, not too much perfume on it, so I like it. Okay, this is one thing I am happy. Not advertisement for it. They do not pay me, so I do not need to show too much. Okay, another loser unboxing. This is a loser because I already opened it. So here's the story. I already finished a lot of it. This is called Good to Go. And I got it when I first, we flew Air Canada. This time we went to Canada. We went to Montreal. And on the plane, I don't know why they treat from California to Montreal. They treat it as domestic kind of, and it is international. There is no food. Let's just say it. There is no food on the airplane. It's a 6 hours flight, and because it's maybe because it's NAFTA, so they do not take it as an international deal. But we did allowed with my card. I can go to the lounge, so that's a good thing. But there was no food. So if you want to eat some food, they have good food. They can heat it up. You can buy it. So no food, and I am just a cheap person. I do not spend money on buying on the airplane to buy some food, right? I do not spend that money. So I was sitting there, and then there was one hostess came, and you are at the level that you can get food. Ooh, because I'm special with my card, with my status. So I got some food, and it was quite good. And in the end, they give me a little pocket, good to go. The cookie is good to go. So we got it. And when we, the next day, when we travel in Montreal, and in the middle of the day or in the afternoon, I'm tired. I was hungry, so I ate it, and it was not bad. It's pretty good, so I enjoyed. On our way back, we also had this. We flew Air Canada, and in Montreal, it's such a beautiful, unique city, and we loved it. And it has its charm. It's very unique charm. It's just so much charm in this. Il a du Montréal, au Canada, Montréal, Montréal, le Montréal, la ville, elle a du charme, vraiment du charme, mystérieuse, or it's kind of unspeakable. There is a kind of charm. We enjoyed every minute of it, and I did quite some footage, video footage of Montreal, the Atwater Market, and other things. I will do a video of voiceover over those footages. So in Montreal, we lived very close to the downtown area, St. Catherine Street. I think it's the St. Catherine Street or Catherine Street. We lived very downtown, and we go shopping. We went to Sutton, a city, a small village, beautiful small ski village, a mountain village, and different places. And the last day we had some time. And we didn't go anywhere, but not anywhere. We didn't go any further, but we went to Costco. You know, when I travel, I like to go to Costco, because Costco is some place that that is very universal and very unique. You see some, I like to go to Target, Walmart, if I go to other cities, because those are the places that are so real. It's the people who really live there and shopping for the things for everyday use. So there is something, the dog. So there is something very, very local charm in it. My family did not like me to do that because it's kind of a waste time, right? You go to another city and you visit Costco, but we enjoyed. And I went to Costco and I found this. I didn't thought about it, but just the packaging and everything looks quite interesting, so I bought it. So this one is good or not good. How do I say? Because it's too good, so it does not fit to me. It's keto, so there is no flour, there's no sugar, and it's not raised. And it does have taste. It has a very unique taste. You cannot eat, gobble it down like, and just satisfyingly gobble it, because it's like eating a stone. And I think keto food, okay, I will not talk about keto or not, but there's no flour, there's no sugar. It just does not rate, there's no crunchiness in it. So they use honey or something. Let's take a look. This is it. So when you are hungry and you have nothing to eat, this is quite so when you are hungry and you have nothing to eat, and that's something that you may think about it and can actually savor it and enjoy it. And it's I feel it's not something that you enjoy with a cup of tea, cup of coffee, that crunchy, that sweetness give you so much joy. Okay, so another one. We finished our trip and we are on our way back home. We went to the airport. In the airport, duty free. And I still have some Canadian dollars. I do not want to bring it back. Still, we did bring back, and we will go back to Canada. Yeah, it's of course. And we found this. So I bought maple cream cookie. And my son told me. So comparing with other brands, he always bring back this brand. He brought back several different kind of brands, and one of his friends likes this the best. So because of his said this, so we bought this. There are several other brands in the airport duty free, so we bought this one. And it is comparing with the sweetness of other things. This is less sweet, and it is quite good. I enjoyed it. Let me have a cup of tea, and this is something you can enjoy with a cup of tea. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry for the noise. I will stop here. Okay. I enjoyed it. And it's kind of unfair if we do not give this one a chance. it is quite good. It is very good, especially when you are hungry and you have nothing but only this piece of cookie, and you can savor it and enjoy it. That's really good when you are hungry. Thank you very. Oh, and this one is chocolate. Chocolate is a little bit even more bitter, less sweet, and yeah, that's about it. It's very good, actually, very good, very good. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goo goo bye bye.